It's interesting when you're younger, all you think is, as long as I'm making a certain amount of money, 6 figures, that I'll be comfortable, that my life will be taken care of, my retirement will be taken care of. I can come and go as I please, I can buy what I want, I can go where I want. But once you start making 6 and even 7 figures, you realize that the money doesn't add up. With lifestyle creep and taxes, you need to do more than just save. You need to put the money to work for you, but you need a plan. And those that think they don't need a plan, what we call a money and life plan, they find themselves 5, 10 years, 20 years down the road saying, I thought things would be different. I thought my 401k would add up. I thought my savings would be better. I didn't think I was taking this much risk. I thought I would own more properties. Whatever it may be, whatever your personal situation may be, you're gonna think about it. If you don't have a plan, if you don't have your money right, if you don't understand how money investments work, your financial acumen is much higher. What would your life look like 20 years from now? Are you gonna be struggling? Fighting with your significant other or spouse over money, about your future, about retirement? That's gonna lead to separation and divorce. It happens. You're gonna wish that you did things different so you could fund your college kids' education. But when they turn 17 and 18, you're gonna realize the money didn't add up again. You're planning on retiring at 65 and 65 comes and the money didn't add up. What if you had a plan? What if you took the initiative, took more time to understand how money and investments work? You worked with the right people, that you built a team, that you had a strategy, that you put that strategy to work, that you stayed consistent. What would your life look like? More options, more freedom, time to do the things that you want to do, not that you have to do. Better relationships with your spouse, a significant other, with your children, ability to travel, retire early, start a business. That's what you have to think about. Not the cost of investing, not the commitment, the time and money commitment to getting things right. What's the cost of not doing it? Think about it.